Look, Max, today is perfect for flying kites. The wind is just right.
I want to fly it and oh, let me.
First, Max, you hold the string like this. Then you run slowly and let the wind help.
Yeah, I got it. Hold string, run fast, easy peasy.
Wait, Max, you need to listen first. Don't just run off.
I know what I'm doing. Watch me fly this kite super high.
Look at me go. I'm the fastest kite flyer ever.
That's not how you do it at all. I'm stuck. I'm all tangled. Help me.
See, Max, this is why we need to be patient and do it right.
Hold still, Max. I'll get you out of this mess.
Thanks, Lulu. I should have listened to TamTam first.
Okay, Max. Let's try again. Hold the string gently like this and run slowly.
Hold the string like this. Check.
Perfect, Max. You're doing it right now.
That's it, Max. Keep going slowly. The kite is lifting.
It's working. It's really working. I'm doing it.
I did it. I really did it. My kite is flying so high.
You did it, Max. You were patient and it worked.
See, Max? When we're patient and listen, we can do anything.
You were right, TamTam. Thank you for teaching me the right way.
Can I try flying my kite now, too? Will you help me, TamTam?
Of course, Lulu. Hold the string like this and we'll fly it together. Lulu, I can help you too. I know how to do it right now.
Really, Max? That would be wonderful. Thank you.
That's perfect, Lulu. Keep going steady. You're doing great.
It's lifting, Max. I can feel it pulling up. Look at both of you. Two beautiful kites flying together. We did it. And Lulu, you learned so fast. Remember, friends, when you're patient and listen, you can do anything. Yeah. Trying again after mistakes makes you even better.